Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. Here it opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner. Here in the profile menu we have to scroll down a little bit and find the settings button. We tap on this, and here in the settings, at the top of the list there is account settings. We tap on that button, and then after scrolling down to the bottom of the list we find delete my account. We tap on this, and then we send a little letter, or I don't know what it is called, but we send a little feedback for them why we want to delete our account. Then check this little box, and then continue by tapping on the delete account button. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.